Alright, now I'm going to do the first question, part A and part B of functions and models. So we're given the function f of x is equal to 5x squared minus 3, and we have to find the difference quotient, which is f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. So it's going to rewrite our function in terms of a. So f of x, all we're going to do for the f of a portion is we're going to replace every instance of x with a. So f of a is equal to 5, again, every instance of x, so 5a squared minus 3. And this portion is a little bit more complicated, but not so much. So every instance of x, we're just going to replace with a plus h in this situation. So 5 times a plus h squared minus 3. So now that we have both components of our equation, we can plug them into our difference quotient. So it's equal to this right here, 5 times 8 plus h squared minus 3. Drop that subtraction sign. I'm going to put parentheses around our next part just so I don't confuse ourselves here. Minus f of a, which is 5a squared minus 3, and it's all over h. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to expand this expression out so we can cancel as many terms as possible to get this into the simplest form that we can. So how do we do this? Well, we write it as a product. So a plus h squared is the same thing as a plus h times a plus h, sorry, minus 3. Again, write all that other fluff down just so you don't get points docked down. Anyway, so a times a times h times a, h times h. So we have 5 times a times a, so a squared plus a times h, plus h times a, which is same thing as ah, just different order, and h times h, which is h squared, so plus h squared, and just drop down all your other terms. So minus 3, you can distribute out that negative sign that we have over here, so minus 3 plus, or no, sorry, minus 5a squared plus 3, all over h, and then I can distribute that 5. I'm gonna write that over here, I don't know if you can see that. So we have 5a squared, and we have an 8h plus 8h, which is just going to be 2ah because there's 2 of them. So I'm actually going to rewrite that plus 2ah, and again, if we multiply by 5, we get 5a squared. 5 times 2 is plus 10ah. All right. And then 5 times h squared is plus 5h squared, and we just move everything from the other portion of our equation right along with it. I'm going to make some space for ourselves. So just dragging everything with us here. Minus 5a squared plus 3 all over h. So now we're going to look, does anything cancel? Well, yes. Positive 3 and negative 3. Positive negative 5a squared and positive 5a squared. So now all that we're left with is 10ah plus 5h squared over h. Can we simplify this even further? Yes, we can divide each term by that denominator. So 10ah divided by h, we'll remember our exponential rules. So 10ah to the 1 minus h to the 1. So these two give us a 0. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. H to the power of 0. Any number times the power of 0 is just 1. So 10 times a times 1 is just 10 a, get rid of those h's, so or just see that they cancel. So we have 10a, and then 5h squared divided by h is what? 5h squared divided by h squared minus h, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so we're left with h to the power of 1. So we have this simplifying to 5h over 1 or over nothing, it doesn't really matter, because we got the 2 minus 1 is equal to h to the 1, and since it's positive, it's in our numerator, and we got rid of one of our h's. So we have plus 5h, and yeah, that is our difference quotient. And then I'm gonna make a separate video for domain and range because I'm running out of space here.